Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 5090E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has 90 horsepower, has I think 5 or 6 hours on it. The tractor is practically new. It does come with the balance of the John Deere warranty, and also does have the loader prep package with the loader mounting frames and also the loader valve and joystick. Does have the corner post exhaust, has the work lights on front and rear of the cab. Paint looks new as you would expect. Does have the front grill guard on it. Also has the pips on the tires. Again, has 5 or 6 hours. The tractor is practically new. Complete 3-point with drawbar and top link. Has 540 and 540E PTO. Dual rear hydraulics back here. Stabilizer bars on both sides. Just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. Show you the inside of the cab. Still looks and smells new in here. Does have an air ride seat for the operator. Left-hand power reverser here allows you to change direction without clutching. Has a 12-speed transmission. All your controls for your hydraulic, 3-point PTO, potential loader. Everything is located directly to the right of the seat there. And looks like the John Deere warranty runs into December of 2028, so lots of warranty left on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.